Today we're gonna cook some cabbage pancake and tofu. Tofu, how do you call it? Cook the tofu. Fry.
What are the ingredients that we prepared for you?
Tofu, cabbage.
We have sliced tofu already set to go. We have cabbage. We have, what is this? Peter, what is this?
Flour, black pepper, and
Muya.
cold water. Oh, it's just.
We have the flour mix, pancake mix. Okay, what are the ingredients for the flour pancake? Stop.
Flour.
Oh yeah. We already put some oil here. Okay, now it's time to cook the pancake. Wait. Are your hands clean?
Yes.
Our hands are clean.
Give me one, please. Give me one, please.
Inya, ikon to. Dili, i-ana. Diba? I-drain to. I-drain. Later, go get
Put it now.
bowl or something to...
I'll put it now.
Okay. Oh yeah, we have some more space. More. Depan. Itu guru mo. Today is Sunday and we're making something with Dater. Sing.
We're now cooking the tofu. Tasting.
Get out my face, please.
Why do I... Yummy, right? Hi. Daddy's now eating with us.
Tungay sa sauce.
You have to put the cabbage and the flour in. Give space, please, sir. Okay, put mommy.
Ano rin na oh.
We have mangoes too. Oh, what happened? Come right. The cabbage is all eaten. Gone. We have a lot of tofu. Oh no! We put this so that it will be yummy.
Peter, can you give me a spoon?
We're eating now, done. This pancake is left. Try to camera. Yum yum.
Ay, video ang hugo kayo. Tanawara ko doon. Ngambak.
Need to clean up the soy sauce.
Ano yung mga sauce? Yun ang kutrapod na eh. Ito ang. Dapat ito to.